Hey guys, Gavin from Allbrand. Today we've got a roof that we're working on. So that's the new one, this is the old one. It's for that Jayco Crosstrek, you can see down the back there. It had a bit of water ingress in this one we've got here. So today we swapped everything over from this one to that one, and we'll be putting it on top of the Caravan later on today.